What's up?
Alright, do you have annoying Facebook friends who update their status more than like 2 or 3 times a day? Are you one of those annoying friends? If you're not alone. We're people that are worth knowing. We want to let people know what we're doing because we think it's worth doing. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't really provide a safe environment to let people know what you're doing more than 2 or 3 times a week. People think you're annoying when you show up on their mini feed that many times. But some people are born to share their minds. Some people are born to inspire others. Some people are born to let you know what sushi places are good to go to after 2 a.m. on a Wednesday. Those people are born to tweet. Today we're going to talk about what Twitter is, how you can get started, and why you should tweet. I know Twitter's scary to a lot of people, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it. By the end of the day, you're going to be a new person sharing your tweets with the world. So what is Twitter? It's a social networking site. It's compared to Facebook and LinkedIn and MySpace when people compare things to MySpace. Formally, Twitter is referred to as a microblogging site. Tweet is the term that you use to post your status updates. You get 140 characters max to do so. It's been around since 2006. Anyone can create a Twitter account, and popular users, politicians, celebrities, people who actually matter, have verified accounts so that you know who they actually are, who they say they are. So the first time you log on to twitter.com, you create an account using your email and a password you select, and then you'll create a username, upload a photo, and add a short bio to your profile. Then you start following friends, uploading pictures, and tweeting. So the question is, how do you get started? Step 1 is create a username. Make it something that represents who you are and what you want to say about yourself. Some examples are Rand Paul, which is self-explanatory, Finance Land is an accounting firm, and Oprah Winfrey has one as well. And there's also Oprah Winfrey, F-R-E-E, which is 50 cents dog, although he doesn't use the word dog. Next, you start following people. Follow friends, professors, politicians, celebrities, organizations, cartoons, anything you can think of. Justin Bieber's hair even has a Twitter. You can follow your favorite magazine to see what articles are coming up. You can follow the weather so you know what's going on outside. Follow NASA so you know what's going on the moon. Follow your sports team so you know what the scores are even if you can't be watching the games. Next, you have to learn the lingo. There's hashtags in Twitter, which are links that people can click on, and you can create your own hashtags of like, I'm really awesome and I'm giving a speech right now could be a hashtag, and I'm probably the only person that's ever used that. But when hashtags get popular, people can click on them and everyone can see what's being talked about, which are called trending topics when they get popular. And for example, this is what a hashtag would look like. It has a little number sign and then the word. So in high school was a trending topic yesterday, and the first thing that came up when I put this in was from Drago Solo Swag, who said, I could have put a lot of freak hoes on blast in high school. Next thing you do is mention your friends. You do this with an @ sign followed by the person's name, like so, that you want to mention. They can see the message, and so can everyone else who follows you on Twitter, or if your profile is public, everyone in the world can see it. Next, you retweet posts that you like. To do this, it's like a copy and paste kind of thing. So you just do, there's a retweet button, and it gives you the RT, and then it reposts what they say, and you can add your own comment to it. So if somebody says, hey everyone, God told me the world is ending tomorrow, you can retweet that and put your own comment, like, hey everyone, my friend's crazy, RT, the world is ending tomorrow. Alright, after you start using Twitter more and more, you'll start getting more and more friends, and businesses will follow you, and then you can really start seeing the benefits of Twitter. So now it's time to start tweeting. The point of a Twitter is to answer the question, what are you doing? You can tag your friends so they can see what you're saying or what you're thinking. You can also add your location so people know where you are, and you can upload pictures. So if you want to let your friends know you're at the mall, you can say at whoever, I'm at the mall, and share your location, and then you can say I'm about to buy this dress and upload a picture. That's the perfect use of Twitter. You can also link other social media accounts so you're wired in all the time. Connect your Facebook so that your Twitter feeds are automatically put on Facebook. And like I said, while it's not okay on Facebook to upload more than a couple of times, on Twitter you can do it hundreds of times and you're not judged for it. You can also link Foursquare, which is another geolocating service that lets people know where you are, and you can become the fictional mayor of a bunch of places, which really serves no purpose. You can also upload your blogs as well, so that anytime you write anything, it's automatically uploaded on Twitter and people can see what you're writing. Next, you start connecting with all your businesses and the restaurants you like and everything else. You can complain about things and have businesses talk back to you, and they actually do. A couple weeks ago, tweeted that I was really sick of getting junk mail from Citibank, and I would never bank with them because of it. And Citibank tweeted me and said to send me send them my information, and I did, and they took me off of their mailing list, so I don't get their mail anymore. Also, I follow Maroon 5. I won tickets to go see them in concert because I follow them, and I've won a $75 gift card to DSW because I follow them. Currently, I'm trying to win a Conan O'Brien shirt, which has proved harder than anything else for some reason. You can tweet what the best restaurant in town is. You can tweet while you're in class with the hashtags. I've been in a lot of public relations classes where we create a hashtag for the class. So while we're in class, everyone in that class has a Twitter and will be tweeting about the class, like, do you know what's going on right now? And if they did, it would be really helpful. So that's about it. Everything with Twitter, it's very connected. You can connect all of your other social media. You can connect with friends, connect with businesses. Businesses can use it to connect with customers. It's a social networking site that allows people to connect to everything. It's easy to set up and it's fun to maintain. So for those of you who do need to express yourself more than a few times a day, or you need help figuring out an answer to last night's homework, or you want to know what Snooki is doing with her hair today, Twitter can be your friend. There's no shame in tweeting. There's no shame in hashtags. There's no shame in following Justin Bieber's hair. Twitter will not judge you. Embrace it.